how different it is to be building for a blockchain for retail users versus institutional users.
If you build it right, it doesn't make any difference, right? I mean, what is retail users' needs that's fundamentally different from say institution needs, right? Usually it's around rules, right? When we talk about, what their needs in institution has more like, kind of a requirement in certain rules that has to be followed. They have more reporting requirements and all that. If you've done it right, like we have, these are just, in a lot of way, configuration. If you're building a blockchain where only possibility is everything's transparent on chain and all that, and you're going to sort of institution come in, try to adopt it, then you're going to have to sort of build things on top of that to allow that to happen, to make that possible, to hide certain information, to provide checks and balances, so to speak. It's definitely doable. But if you didn't do your homework right, you didn't build your infrastructure, lower level infrastructure right, that's going to be more complex, will be more difficult. Then comes down to, okay, did you enable this type of configuration in a relatively easy way? Do you allow things to be composable? I think what we're seeing in the other blockchain is composability really isn't there, right? Because how they represent assets tend to be fairly rigid, and that makes things difficult. So we think we have the advantage here.